In this video, I'm going to show you how to log out of WhatsApp from other devices. To do this, you want to make sure that you are signing into WhatsApp on your primary device. So go ahead and open WhatsApp. And once you have it open, you want to tap on the three dots at the top right corner of your screen. Now, if you can find linked devices, that means you are using WhatsApp account as the primary WhatsApp. Now, if you do not find linked devices, that means you are using WhatsApp as a companion device. On the primary WhatsApp, what you want to do is you want to tap on linked devices. On this page, you'll see a list of all the devices you have linked to your WhatsApp account. Tap on the account you want to log out of and tap on Logout. This will immediately lock the companion device out of the WhatsApp account. So thank you guys for watching this video on how to log out of WhatsApp from other devices. And I hope you found this video helpful. If you do find this video helpful, like, share this video, subscribe to this channel and have this post notification turned on. I hope to see you guys in my next video.